All right. So we're going to be looking for a short here. I'd like to get up into this. Sell that on a limit just above consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. Let it come to you. Don't chase it. Stop loss above the volume imbalance right there. Now it's real important that you don't get crazy and think that you have to have the fill, even though if you know it's likely to go down here and take out that low right here. Let it come to you. Because if you're selling down here and it retraces, that's needless drawdown. You don't have to endure that. Let it come to you and don't use market replay. Just relax. Watch, you'll see. Here it comes. Come on, pop it up in there. Come on. Send it. Send it. Send it. Don't be coy with me. Come on. Get up there. Come on. Come on. Come on. You dirty dog. And when it does that, then you want to use this wick right here. If it can print to this candlestick's opening like that, that's how we can do that. All right, same business there. We don't need the limit order now. Stop is there. Sometimes perfection and being so precise is a curse. It gave me exactly the level I wanted to see it trade close to, but just fell short of my fill. It is what it is. We have change in state of delivery right here. There. So I can do a short if it touches that. Get it, boys. Let's get it. Oh, immediate rebalance. Right here. Look at the low. 120 half. High. 122 half. So it went right into it and two handles beyond. It doesn't matter. I'm positioned. It's okay. I'm going to use a rejection block on this. Reduce some of the stop risk. I kind of like it going lower. Like, see how clean that is there? So let's work with that for now. And this may be the next evolution of where I'm trying to get to. And then we have these relative equal lows in here. Let's do this. let's aim for those as the best case scenario. Okay. And then we'll look at potentially this low and this low right here. Okay. So we have something to work with. Okay. All right. It's holiday volume, by the way. So things can get squirrely. Now I like that. I'll sell short that. Okay. And if we can take out that low, I'll limit out those three there. So order block to sell side. That's how you can look at that as a model, not requiring it to be use this in here. Okay. Notice my entries in the lower half of the order block on this fill. See that? Changed in state of delivery, hammered it. Look at the delivery already. Isn't that brilliant? Close below this Wix consequent encroachment is a confirmation that follow through is likely. Let's measure that. Oh, we didn't get it. It can still happen though. Needs to happen on this candle though. Coordinates. Oh, you dirty dog. Look at that. It's just going to have to be another opportunity to get short more. Okay. So now there's going to be a strong drop. Whenever there's an order block that is being implemented and it starts to sell off, and then it goes right back to it again, it's allowing smart money to accumulate more shorts. In this case, it's a bearish order block. Watch how it moves lower and takes out that low and accelerates below that low and continues moving lower. All of this 930 run here was all hype Judas swing off of the employment numbers, which are fake. Okay, these numbers haven't been even going back in the Obama era. Okay, and all that data was fake. I don't care what anybody says, and it hasn't changed. They're rooking everybody with this fake fundamental data. What are you gonna do? Roll lower to stop, down just above this high. Look at that. This guy knows order blocks. This guy knows what he's talking about. All right, let's take 3 off of there as well. So that'll leave us 6 contracts for a runner. So I'll hold the risk at 1920 until I get the first partial. Never, ever, ever market replay. Market replay is for those that need to use it and not teach with actual execution. Very, very, very sloppy in here. So we have a lot to overcome with all this business here. So we want to see it really get heavy in here and just plunge right through it. Okay. Imagine that the hottest nightclub in town is at 29,965. Okay. So the 965 club is where everybody wants to be. You're dressing up, you're putting on the Ritz, and you're going to rent limousines, black limousines. You're going to stretch out and run downtown to where everybody wants to be at. That's right here. Okay. Come on. The party's just starting. They're opening the doors at the 965 club. Let's get it. Come on. Come on down, fun lovers. Let's get it popping. Come on. I thought missed his best entry, but then had to finesse based on what order was being directed and price delivered. Look at that. Look at that. These bums over here ain't filled my order yet. You better fill that order. You better fill that order. Make me go crazy over here. Okay. That's that. Look at this. Look at this guy. Look at this, man. This guy knows exactly what's going on. Send it down there. Send it down there now. Send it. You better fill that order. What are you doing, man? There you go. And we'll do a manual close on this as if we can get that. Let's just do it as a limit order. Come on. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He's a one-man dynamo. Yep. My order is just above. There you go. Because I'm now long in the tooth on this sell. So I'm going to now look for, this is a best case scenario. So we have this to that low. Okay. And I'm going to just ballpark it. Okay. In other words, this is an old low down to there. Okay. So if it gets in this vicinity here, I'll take one off because that's event horizon. Okay. And then lower the stop down more. Okay. And let's see how well she can make us smile. We a happy ending and what? Let's get it. Come on, send it down there. And again, I'm watching this level right here. As soon as we get close to that, as soon as we get close to it, I'll start peeling off a single of the remaining 3 contracts I have on. And to the left. Okay. And I want to kind of like take it off just before we get to it because this down here is just below the old low. So I'm factoring that in by taking a partial just above what would be event horizon based on the calculations I have here. Let me get myself ready here. Come on. Come on, the daddy. Let's get it. See, I don't like that. I don't like that. Because of that, I'm going to take off one there. And press it. There you go. I wasn't sure if it registered or not. It takes off another one, then it was TradingView's fault being laggy. And it was, and of course, it's TradingView. Flawless. Flawless. If TradingView can mess it up, it surely will. How about that for affiliate marketing? You guys got to fix your stuff over there, bro. Like for real. I'm gonna be honest with you, you guys lost me. When this membership ends, I'm not renewing. Oh, Ninja Trader. Okie dokie. I'm gonna take that and be content. Too much of a retracement on my part for the trade I was in. So there's the business. Okay. And we used market maker sell model. Okay. And I used the second stage redistribution. That was the market maker model being implemented here. All of this was Judas, right from 9:30 opening. Okay, we dropped down, ran up. The wick here, I gotta change that setting. See how the drop here, we didn't get closed below that. So that's a warning sign. Okay, that's how you use wicks. Nobody teaches that, but now you've heard me talk about it a lot. Every mentor out there that watches my stuff and pretends I don't exist, They're all going to teach that stuff. Okay. And this tells you real order flow is in jeopardy if you're looking for it to go lower. This is a warning sign it's going to change directions. So if it's dropping down, it's going to make a run for buy side. Buy side is back here. See that smooth edges in here? See the bodies? It's like a big block. Look at it like this. Okay, you have a block of price action right there. All this. Okay, that big square area is going to get disrupted. Send it to the right. Hit it, cleared through it, then used it. Equilibrium drops down. A gap. I apologize. This should have actually been a red box, but you know how it is when you're on the fly. You gotta make decisions, man. It's got to be just like that. So that's the business there. And my limit order was just above here, and it went right to the low of the fair value gap, which that's fine. That's perfect. You can't get better than that, right? When your analysis is perfect, your executions could not execute. So perfection will yield missed trades. That's the oxymoron there, because you're going to demand the best case scenario, which is what I was trying to do here. And the spread just did not afford me the luxury of getting in on the limit order. So I had to get in there in the lower half, which would be the discount sensitivity, or I'm sorry, premium sensitivity portion of this candle, which is a bearish order block. I told you it was a bearish order block when it was here, and then used it here, and then here, and went lower. It looks like they're going to try to take it down here, but I can't. I can't re-enter it. Okay. Even if this thing drops down into 29,230s, I can't. I can't do it. There has to be rules. Okay. So because we had smart money reversal here, low risk short. I'm sorry, low risk short in here, and then first stage distribution, second stage distribution. If you went with smart money reversal, low risk sell or short, first stage distribution, second stage reaccumulation or redistribution rather, there's nothing wrong with that either. Okay, you're looking for key highs to get short on the right side of the curve. So this is the sell side of the curve from the highest point down, and this is the buy side of the curve. Okay, and looks like we're about to get that event horizon. I just want to see it print just for the sake of the video. But it's not too bad, is it? It's pretty good for an old guy. Not too bad. And then we have obviously the relative equal lows here. I like that a lot. I'm not going to be able to stay with it to get to it, and that's okay. It's okay. I gotta leave some for everybody else. If I take it all, then it's this greedy now, isn't it? I think that's going to be it for today. I hope you learned something here. I use some specific criteria that is unique just to me and my concepts, and hopefully it was helpful to you and it helps you be inspired to continue studying, and let you also know that it works and it was never done with market replay. Bada bing, bada boom.